I breed Shiloh Shepherds because of their size and intelligence and loyalty. And service dogs are important because they allow people to live full and independent lives. Genetics and health testing are important for service dogs because you don't want dogs to move on that have genetic issues as far as issues with their heart or issues with their eyes. You want to make sure that each dog is healthy and can move forward with no genetic issues. So, as a matter of fact, we have one of our dogs, Ransom, who is going to be getting his heart Holter test later on today. He's going to be getting a vest put on, and it tests his heart rhythm and to make sure that he has no issues with his heart. I'm actually really proud of being able to breed service dogs because I understand how much these people that we provide the dogs to utilize the dogs and need the dogs in their everyday lives.